You've seen the ads, gurus flaunting Lamborghinis, showing off their sprawling mansions and promising that you too can live this life of luxury. They make it look effortless, as if all you need is a laptop and a dream. The message is everywhere. Wealth is just a few clicks away, and anyone can achieve it if they just follow the right formula. These so-called experts promise you can get rich day trading from your couch, turning your living room into a money-making machine. They say you can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and never answer to a boss again. It looks so easy, just buy low, sell high, and watch the money roll in. The apps are sleek, the charts are colorful, and the numbers seem to always go up in their videos. The appeal is obvious. Who wouldn't want instant wealth and total freedom? The idea of making thousands in minutes is intoxicating, and it's designed to hook you in. But if it were really that simple, wouldn't everyone be a millionaire by now? The reality is, most people who try this path end up disappointed, or worse, in debt. The truth is, day trading is sold as a shortcut to riches, but it's really a gamble against unpredictable markets. For every winner, there are countless losers who never make the headlines. These success stories never show the sleepless nights, the anxiety, or the crushing losses that haunt most traders. The emotional toll is hidden behind flashy cars and big promises. They sell you the dream and an expensive course but hide the reality. The real winners are often the ones selling the secrets, not the ones trading. The siren song of day trading is tempting, but it often leads to disaster, financial, emotional, and psychological. Don't be fooled by the highlight reel. Behind every flashy success story, there's a mountain of risk, stress, and loss that rarely gets shown. The truth is, there's a lot more risk than reward. Day trading is like riding a roller coaster, but not the fun kind you find at an amusement park. Imagine having your life savings strapped in, with every twist and turn affecting your financial future. The market's wild swings aren't based on logic. They're driven by rumors, algorithms, and chaos. One moment you're up, the next, you're plummeting. Day traders try to profit from this noise, but it's more like surfing a tsunami than catching a wave. The unpredictability can be overwhelming. Predicting short-term moves is nearly impossible, even for the pros. They spend years studying the market, yet still face uncertainty. Long-term trends are far more reliable than daily market chaos. Investing with a long-term perspective can lead to more stable and predictable growth. For every quick win, there are countless untold losses. The emotional roller coaster can take a toll on your mental health. The daily ups and downs are a high-stakes gamble, not a wealth-building plan. It's akin to playing poker with your future. The thrill is real, but so is the risk of losing big, fast. One wrong move can wipe out your savings in an instant. This isn't a ride you want to trust with your future. The stakes are too high and the risks too great. The odds are stacked against you from the start. It's a game where the house almost always wins, leaving you with little to show for your efforts. Your brain is your worst enemy when day trading. Fear and greed take over. One minute you're chasing wins, the next you're panic selling. Greed makes you reckless, convinced you can't lose. Fear makes you sell at the worst time or hold on to losers too long. These emotions are hardwired and nearly impossible to control under pressure. Successful trading demands robotic discipline. Most people just don't have it. The market preys on your instincts, turning your psychology against you. Day trading isn't just a financial challenge, it's a psychological minefield. For most, the emotional toll is too high. Your own mind becomes your biggest liability. Every trade you make leaks money, commissions, fees, and the bid-ask spread. Even zero-commission brokers profit in hidden ways. As a day trader, you pay these costs over and over, sometimes hundreds of times a day. Each trade starts you at a small loss, making it even harder to win. These tiny fees add up fast, quietly draining your account. You're not just fighting the market, you're fighting your broker's business model. The more you trade, the more you pay. Transaction costs are a constant headwind, eroding your profits. They're the silent killer of day trading dreams. The internet loves stories of day trading millionaires, but the reality? Most day traders lose money. Studies show up to 95% quit within 2 years. The few winners are rare exceptions, not the rule. Survivorship bias hides the thousands who fail and disappear quietly. We only hear from the lucky or the liars, not the majority who lose. It's like judging the lottery by interviewing only the winners. Day trading is a game where most fund the jackpot with their losses. Believing you'll be the exception is a dangerous bet. The myth is seductive, but the numbers don't lie. Don't mistake rare luck for a reliable strategy. The real alternative to the stress and unpredictability of short-term trading? It's long-term investing, a strategy that's often overlooked, but incredibly powerful. Long-term investing is like being the slow, steady tortoise in the classic fable. Instead of chasing quick profits, you buy shares in good businesses and hold on to them for years, sometimes even decades. Over time, you let the magic of compounding do the heavy lifting. Each year, your investments can earn returns, and those returns can earn even more returns, creating a snowball effect. Day traders might spend hours glued to screens, chasing tiny wins and riding emotional roller coasters. But long-term investors focus on building real wealth slowly and steadily, allowing their money to grow while they focus on living their lives. Compounding is the secret ingredient. It turns small, consistent gains into substantial results over time, multiplying your wealth in ways that are hard to imagine at first. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Long-term investing is also less stressful. You don't need to watch the market every minute or react to every headline. Instead, you can check in occasionally, confident in your strategy. By diversifying your investments and choosing index funds, you can let the overall growth of the market work in your favor. Even when downturns happen, they're usually temporary. History shows that markets recover from setbacks and often reach new highs, rewarding those who stay patient and invested. When you invest for the long term, you become a part owner in real businesses, sharing in their growth and success. This isn't just gambling on numbers or hoping for luck, it's about making informed decisions and sticking with them. In the end, patience beats adrenaline. Like the tortoise in the race, slow and steady truly wins. This is how real lasting wealth is built, one smart, patient decision at a time, creating a legacy for you and your loved ones. Want financial freedom? Skip the day trading fantasy. Real wealth comes from living below your means, saving, and investing for the long term. Index funds and ETFs let you own a piece of the whole market, minimizing risk. This strategy is simple, proven, and lets you sleep at night. Forget the hype. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Discipline and patience beat luck every time. The next time you see a get-rich-quick ad, remember the hidden dangers. The calm, steady road is the one that actually leads to your goals.